If you want to start as an online fitness coach from nothing, a small following, no money, limited time, here's the best way to do it from scratch. What's up, guys? My name is Eric. I'm the CEO of PT Legends, and our mission is to provide fitness professionals with business information that can actually help you break free from the rat trap of a 9-to-5. The first thing you need to do if you want to be an online fitness coach is whip your ass into the best shape of your life. You have to look the part and market yourself. To start as an online fitness coach, get into the best shape possible and master your personal brand. Like I said in the first episode of this, I was in the best shape of my life because I was fully committed to building my brand and business, and you are a representation of what your clients want to look like. So you have to look the part. There's no way around it. Whether you're starting from scratch or rebooting your business, people need to look at you and think, damn, dude, I want to look like him or her. That is how you build trust instantly. You don't even need to have clients if you look the part. I started with 0 online clients. You don't need a crazy following, but you do need to be the embodiment of what you are selling. So grab those shirtless pics, post those booty shorts, whatever your angle is, make sure you own it. Then use those to market yourself 24/7. This will position you as an authority and give people insight on what they want to be. Understand that you must be your own main selling point. If you're starting from scratch, showcase your fitness journey to build that credibility and trust with your potential clients. Number 2 is be everywhere all the damn time. It's what you call being omnipresent. And if you want to hit 10K a month, you got to show up like you freaking want it, man. Social media is your battlefield. So make sure you're posting on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever platform your audience is on. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Now listen, no one's great at content at the start. Don't expect to be great at something that people take years to get great at in only 2 seconds inside of the game. But understand that quantity leads to quality, especially with content. So post that real raw stuff, get people hooked on your journey, the lifestyle, the results you're delivering for yourself and others. And yeah, copy ideas from successful people, but make them your own, right? Don't copy and paste it, but model what the successful people are doing, because no one likes a copy and paste clown. But what you can do is model their success, put your own twist on it. Now listen, most people, when they think about advertising, marketing, building a business, they way underestimate the required amount of reps it takes to get good at something. So despite anything that I say in this video, nothing matters if you're not consistent and you're not consistently putting in those reps and taking action. Understand that quantity builds the quality. You learn lessons from the feedback of your failures. For example, when you post a piece of content and you get a small amount of engagement, that feedback teaches you a lesson. You can then rule out what works and what doesn't work, ultimately leading to that quality that you're looking for with your content. I had to fall on my face and get kicked in the nuts hundreds of times to even get to what I would consider to be decent at any skill. I don't even think I'm great at any of these skills. I'm just great at being consistent. So no shit, it's difficult. Everything in the world worth doing is fucking difficult. If it wasn't, it wouldn't be worth doing it. So understand, the greater the accomplishment, the more hardship and failures and more times you're gonna get kicked in the nuts. You have to embrace getting kicked in the nuts. Welcome to the road of success, my friend. Third is increasing your confidence and pricing over time. The reason why high prices scare you is not because you feel bad, but it's because you're not confident in what you have. Let's be real. You got to ask for the sale, and not in some sleazy, spammy way, but straight up. Slide into those DMs, reply to every comment, turn engagement into conversations. You are not selling a product, dude. You're selling a transformation, a transformative experience that will change their life. So be the solution to their problems. Once you get them hooked, make the offer and do not flinch. Okay? Come with that confidence and conviction. Start with your prices at a comfortable level, then build confidence and raise your prices as you deliver results. A lot of people ask me where all this confidence comes from. It came from those lower ticket prices, seeing the evidence that I am the real deal, that I can walk the walk and I can deliver results. And that allowed me to bring the confidence to charge more and incrementally charge more and more and more. So it didn't just happen overnight where I was charging thousands of dollars. It happened from the confidence of seeing the evidence that I was actually who I say I am. Understand that everything that you want, the confidence, the success, the money, the 20K months, the freedom, the travel, everything that you want with your online fitness business is on the other side of years of rejection and uncertainty. It just comes down to wanting what you're after more than you hate the rejection and understanding you gotta go through these things to get there. This again comes down to reps, time, and skills require the rejection. That's how skills get built, is from the rejection and failures and the reps to get good at asking for a lot of money and people accepting it. The only way you can get more people to accept it is by getting more people to reject it. Number 4, scale your business with systems. Automate your shit, man. You're not trying to work 16-hour days like you did in the gym. That's like having a glorified 9-to-5 where you're getting paid more money to work the same amount of hours, which obviously you do want to get paid more money, but the only way to get paid even more money, leverage this and have more freedom, is to have systems. Instead, set up your program on platforms like Trainerize. I'll leave a little link below so that you can click it and get access to that. And I have many trainings walking you through how to use this platform as well. And you can use that so your clients are getting everything they need without micromanaging them. So you can use that freed up time to scale, to focus on sales generating activities, more content, more offers, more ads, more leads, more automations for your sales process, more automations for your team members. And remember, this is about multiplying yourself, not trading your hours for money anymore. The only way that you can grow and scale and have the freedom that you want is multiplying yourself and leveraging yourself. So this is all about leverage. Leverage is the multiplier that makes the impossible possible. Everything that you think is possible with leverage, whether it's technology, people, systems, or those who understand leverage can scale faster, work less, and achieve more. It's the difference between pushing a boulder uphill and standing at the top using gravity to your advantage. Once you find it, 10K a month becomes just the baseline, your floor, not your ceiling. Number 5, build relationships and trust. Business is relationships, man. You can't just shotgun DM people and expect results. You have to warm up your audience by giving real value. Build trust with your content. Build trust in the DMs, your live streams, your lead magnets. When people trust you, they will spend the money with you, period. Remember, your goal is long-term results for your clients, which will keep them coming back and sending you more business through referrals. I see a lot of trainers claiming how they're the best, but don't give any of their best away for free. If you're that good, then give that goodness away for free and you'll build goodwill enough for people to run through the door to work with you because you're building trust. So understand, to build these relationships, you have to follow up, you have to build free trainings, just like I'm doing right now. You have to give away free value and your true self will shine. Because it's true, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work. So you can be the most talented broke person in the world. With that said, you need to consistently hit your targets of messaging, content, paid ads, follow-ups, and in this day and age, you need to stay top of mind because it ain't 2017 anymore. The competition is more fierce than ever, but you'll put your foot on everyone's neck and live like a king if you listen to me. And if I had to make a final estimate on why most businesses fail, why most online fitness coaches don't make it, is because their lack of consistency, their lack of relationship building. They expect to quote unquote get laid on the first date, meaning message someone once and the person just hands over $10,000. My dude, it doesn't work like that. It takes nurturing, it takes constant trust building and staying top of mind amongst your competitors fighting for the same eyeballs. And it's a lot easier than you think. The hardest part about doing this is just staying on track when you're feeling uncertain or the little imposter syndrome voice telling you that the market is saturated or it's impossible, and most people just end up giving up too early. If you can fight that voice and stay consistent, you've already won. And that's it. If you want to make 10K a month as an online coach, no BS, you follow these steps, you post your content, you stay consistent, you make offers like a savage, you automate all the boring shit and build real relationships, and you reinvest your money into ads. It's not rocket science, but it's hard to be consistent. So if you're still not willing to do it, keep dreaming about that average ass life. But if you're ready to level up, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let's get after it.